How to turn active status off on Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on account settings. And here slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called privacy. Tap on privacy. So this is the place where you can turn the activation off. Here on the top, simply tap on it, and as you can see, the active status is turned off. Now other friends and people added with you can see your active status. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.